There are always certain clinical variants found in certain medical problems. As we've already discussed the major clinical features attached to the Klinefelter syndrome, it shows some specific features and moving on to certain further common and uncommon symptoms. These symptoms would include hypomentation. Hypomentation is one of the clinical features seen in these individuals, which basically means a decreased IQ. It is relatively common in this condition. However, many individuals with this condition can have a normal intellect. The overall mean IQ with Klinefelter syndrome is around 90. That falls into a normal IQ window. Now, this fact basically makes the diagnosis a bit difficult in these patients. It is very important to note that 40 to 50% of males with Klinefelter syndrome have no discernible physical features. That is why, in most of the cases, it remains unnoticed. These patients only present with male infertility due to azoospermia, by which we means no production of sperms. For that reason, a seminal analysis with a follow-up karyotype is indicated as part of the infertility workup. Variants of Klinefelter syndrome include 48XXXY and 49XXXXY. In general, these individuals have a Klinefelter-like phenotype. The primary differences are that with an increasing number of X's, there is an increase in the growth restrictions and also a decrease in the IQ levels. Many individuals with these clinical variants may have some mild craniofacial and skeletal changes not otherwise seen in 47XXY Klinefelter syndrome.